ALQ-1, time is running out. Omega is about to launch their rocket. Their first rocket is fueled and armed. Your primary objective is to sabotage this vehicle before the countdown reaches 0. Plant explosives on the final stage module. Once armed, clear the pad immediately, or you'll go up with it. Next, proceed underground through the tunnel entry point. Expect guards. Eliminate them quickly. The tunnels connect directly to the rocket fuel station. You must initialize the fueling process for the second rocket and secure the area until fueling is complete. The resistance there will be heavy. Then, infiltrate command and control. Override Omega Corp's systems and activate the launch sequence for the second rocket. Be prepared. Armored vehicles and tanks are expected in the area. Defend yourself at all costs. Then, proceed to the launch pad. Collect your spacesuit and remember, you must board the rocket before the countdown ends. Fail, and the mission dies with you. Soldier, this rocket is your only way into orbit. Without it, the mission and humanity's last chance is lost. Good luck.